here, and I'm going to be showing you how to make little cute animals. First we're going to make a flamingo, and you're going to take a 3x3 brick piece and put it and like that, and put a 1x2 piece on the blue, and put another 1x2 piece on that pink one. Then grab a curved 2x2 piece and put it right on the 1x2 piece and put that right on. And then grab this. It's another piece that's kind of the same. It's a 1x2 piece. Put it right on. Grab a black piece, a curve or a straight line down, like a slide, a straight line down, 1x2 piece. Put it right on. Then grab a one piece that has a hole and put that on both sides. Make sure the holes are facing like side by side. Then grab like kind of sleeping or something eyes like that, and do that on the other side. That's how you make a flamingo. Okay, now we're going to make an elephant. First, you're going to grab a long piece and put it, and that's going to be like that's going to be like the ending. And put a 2x2 piece, put it right on there. And grab a 1x2 piece right there too. Then grab a blue piece and put it like kind of right in the middle there. Then put a 1x2 piece on the bottom and another 1x2 piece on the bottom. Then put a 1x1 piece with hole on there, and then another 1x1 piece hole there. Then put more eyes on it. Put some eyes on it. Those kind of eyes though. They're different eyes with all of them, or they might just not have eyes. And then put that one on the other side. Okay, there is our elephant. So cute. Now we're going to make a fishy. And you start by having a 5x5 piece, and put a 1x2 piece hole right here on the front. Then grab a 1x2 piece, 2 holes, and grab another one on the other side. And then grab eyes, these kind of eyes. Let's put them on. that kind of eye. Instead of all the other eyes we used, we always use different eyes with all of them. Grab it. Put them on the other side. Put them on both sides. Then grab a 1x1 piece and put it right there. And put the other piece right there. Do the same and put them right there. Switch it like that. That's what it should look like for right now. Then grab a 3x3 piece and put it right on, and grab a 2x2 piece like this and put that underneath the 3x3 piece. Put it right under, and grab another 5 piece and put it right on. And then you're going to grab an orange piece and you're going to put it right here. This is what it should look like so far. And then grab the same like the wings, but put them like right on top. And there you have it, a little fishy. Fish. Now we're going to make a robot. First, you're going to grab a curved piece that is red. Put a 2x2 piece on the red piece, like that. That's how it should look. A no side 2x2 piece with one hole on the blue. Then put a 5 piece on that black one. And then grab a 1x2 piece and put it under. And do that with the other one. Put it under. Then you're going to grab a 1x2 piece hole on there. Put a yellow piece behind it. Then grab 2 yellow eyes right on. And then of course we need a clear piece that is like round and it has only one thing. And that's our robot. Now we're going to make a car. First, you're going to get a red piece. Then grab a 1x2 piece and put that right on. Then grab a 1x2 piece and just put it in the middle like that. Then grab a 1x2 piece clear and put it there. Then grab a flat piece that has 2 sides and put that on the other side too. Then you're going to grab this, put the white piece in the black piece, like that. See? It's in, and put them right on the black piece on both sides, like so. When they're on, you should hear a snap. that's our car, and that's it for today. I hope you liked my channel. Like this video and subscribe if you are new, and I will see you later. Bye, guys. Great.